If you want to record screen on Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, what you can do is on the right side of the phone, we can swipe from the top towards the bottom like this. And then over here, you can swipe down on this panel in order to reveal additional options, and one of them should be screen recorder. At least by default, it is located over here. If you made some changes in this panel before, then it might be in a slightly different position. We can tap on the screen recorder. You can choose if you want to record the phone sounds or phone sounds and the microphone or nothing at all. And then also we can show taps and touches on the screen. And if you are ready to record, press start recording. A countdown will start and you can skip it in order to immediately start recording. We have some additional tools on this bar where we can draw on the screen with this little thing over here, as you can see here. And also we can enable the front camera. We can pause the recording and stop the recording completely. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.